I figured out a way, and I praise God for the opportunity. So if you have young children and you want them to have a neutral explanation of what we're going through as a nation, I thought of a way, I received this way of explaining through Pokemon. From our Mega Dream to the Perfect Order to the Ascended Heroes to the Chaos Rising, life is like that, di ba? But unlike Pokemon, which is a game and it's for collectors, you're dealing with real lives here and not imagination. So for example, sa Monday, will we rise above and try to articulate people's dreams? Will we rise above the political fray? So for example, sabi, parang walang nangyari. Hindi po. Hindi natin minemenos yung nangyari noong May 13. Ang sinasabi natin, let's deal with it professionally. Let's have an independent investigation. Let's wait for all of the results. In the meantime, let us show the Filipino people that the Senate is the Senate. That we care about PhilHealth, about yung gamot, about flu shots na hindi pa rin dumadating, about problema sa mga ospital na kulang ng gamit. Let's show people that we care about scholarships. We care whether tumaas o hindi yung tuition fee. Let's show people that we care about the tricycle drivers, the Grab drivers, the jeepney drivers, the taxi drivers, di ba? We're an archipelago. Mas hirap yung mga nasa island living natin. So